this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I have one that's like incredibly hard to prepare. We have this. This is Oyatsu's Crispy Ramen Snack, original flavor. I found this in they have these food pantries all over the place these days, and basically you just like put food you don't need and put it in this box with a door on it, and people can come and get some free food. I put a lot of stuff in those boxes, so you know, every once in a while when I'm doing so, I will find something interesting. The last one that I found that was interesting was a canned ham, like a little canned ham, and I used that for some reviews. Well, this is one that I found in there, this snack. I always thought this was a Japanese company. Maybe it is. It's their logo is definitely Japanese. Oh, can you even see that? Yeah, up there in the corner. That's Japanese. But these are made in Taiwan, which isn't entirely surprising because ramen snacks are king in Taiwan. And basically, here's what we're working with today. Is this. So, let's prepare it. Whoops. The old, what do you call it? It's early. The old rotato kind of got unplugged. And we got this 8 small bowl. And then, alright, let's cook it up. Here we go. This should go pretty easily. That's enough of it in a little bowl. There, it is prepared, like so. So let's give it a try. It's very light and crisp. It reminds me of the original noodle from Nissan, the first instant noodle, their chicken ramen from 1958. The noodle has a wider gauge. It's got kind of a sesame kind of taste to it, almost a hint of sweetness. It's good. I mean, if you want like little sticks that are really tasty, this'll do you. And that's pretty much the deal. But yeah, all you gotta do to prepare it is open the bag, insert your hand inside, and then this is where it gets interesting. You close the gap between your pointer finger and your thumb, grasp some of the product, remove your hand from the bag, pivot like this, open your primary facial orifice and place it inside, and then masticate, digest, do what you do. Literally eat it. So yeah, really short today for this one. So if you find these, I'm sure they have them on Amazon. They're pretty good, I gotta say. Whoa. I guess if there was one that I was gonna have it fall into the bowl, this would be it, because there's no liquid here. Come on. I need it. I really want this one centered. That's about as good as I'm gonna get, isn't it? Well, the next one will be longer, but here we go for now. Alright, cool. Well, the next one we got is a microwavable variety. This is Ocean's Halo with their vegan chicken organic big noodle bowl. My wife found this over at, what do you call it? Whole Foods. They had a whole bunch of different varieties, and that was one of them, so. Yeah, we'll give that a try tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you an enjoyment of everything today. Have a good one. Bye-bye.